All right, class. Today we're going to be working on our international tourist pamphlets. Each of you have been assigned your own country. And today I'm going to show you how to go ahead and set about the setting up your actual pamphlet template. So if we go to our GIMP program, which is our free kind of Photoshop, and we get there by going to Go and then Applications, and we're going to go to GIMP and we're going to open a new file. And as soon as it loads up, we're going to go up to the top, select File, New, and we're going to, we're going to go with one of our templates, and we're going to come down to what we use here in the US is called letter paper. So we're going to select that, and we're going to go ahead and select the vertical option, or the horizontal or landscape option, and click OK. And now we're going to need to divide this up so that we can fold it into thirds to make a pamphlet which advertises the facts that we've learned about our countries. And so to do that, we're going to go to Image, and we're going to go to Guides, and we're going to say Guides by New Percent. And if we click that, we'll get this dialog box, and we're going to change this over because we're not wanting to split the paper up horizontally, but we're going to do vertical. And if we've taken a little bit of math courses, we know that if we divide by thirds, we're going to get 33.34. And so we'll click that, and that'll give us our first third. So that'll be the front page of our guide. Now we're going to need to go and do an additional guide, and that'll be again under Image and Guides. And oh, I clicked too early. So that's Images, under Guides, New Guide, and we're going to double this number. So we're going to get 66.68. And there we have it. So now when you go ahead and paste your title and your images and then the text that we've been working on into this brochure, we'll know how to align those features in order to make sure that when we fold our brochure, everything will be within its own plane. So any questions, please go ahead and email me. And in the meantime, good luck and good job working on your presentation.